A sweet lady from church named Marta taught me how to make this when I first got married. I make it all the time now. It's delicious and easy. Here we go. So this is the kind of hominy I like to buy. It's the biggest can they have. And I know I don't cook it from scratch, but it's less work for me and it's really good. So I added it to a pot along with some chicken. Now here I have about 20 pieces of drumstick. That's all I had. Usually I use some thighs, some drumsticks, some chicken breast, but that's all I had. You use what you like. You can use even an entire chicken. That would be good too. And I'm just going to add some salt. I used about 2 tablespoons here and half an onion. So these are the ingredients that are going to make our sauce. We have garlic, about 12 green onions, a pound of tomatillo, an 8-ounce bag of already conveniently washed spinach, and I'm using 3 bunches of cilantro. So my blender is tiny and I have to chop everything up so it can fit. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm washing everything, chopping everything up, peeling the garlic, peeling the tomatillos, chopping them up, and I'm getting them ready to blend. This is what everything looks like once you've washed, chopped, and prepared it for the blender. You're just gonna put it in. If you need to add water, use very little. Use as little as you can. And I like to puree my mix so that it's not so chunky. And this is what it should look like. If you like to leave it chunky, then leave it chunky. It yielded about 7 cups of green sauce. So once your chicken looks like this, it's pretty much already cooked. We are going to add the sauce. And up to this point, you should have been cooking it on medium-high until it's falling off the bone. So then you add your sauce, and then I like to use chicken bouillon or Knorr, whatever you like to call it. You don't have to use this. You can just use salt, and that's fine too. Just do what you like. So you're going to put it on the lowest possible setting, and you're going to let it go covered on low heat for about 30 to 45 minutes to ensure that the chicken is nice and tender. Once your chicken is nice and tender, it's done. And I like to serve it with avocado, cabbage, lemon, or lime. I am missing the radishes here, but you can add those too, and some salsa or chile. And this is what it should look like. Thank you for watching.